I'm making a lot of attention, to be honest. Yo, what's up?
What's up, man? What's up?
What's up, guys? Who gonna guess where I am in 5 seconds? The place is in Bali and I can drive here peacefully, slowly, without helmet, that mask, at least like this. Alright, guys, I'm in the AMED today. Many people was asking me to go to AMED, and here we go. Today is the day, and I'm just passing the Blue Moon Villas restaurant and bar. As you can see, I think they are open, however nobody is here. Aqua Terrace, I used to stay in Aqua Terrace, very nice place, beautiful view, not so many people over here. I already passed the Sanur AMED, sorry, from the beginning. I make a video, I will show you soon, shortly, or at the end of this vlog, because I doesn't talk much. Anyway, it's super hot day, it's about 33 degrees today, sunny day, beautiful view of the Mt.Agung. I will show you whenever I gonna have an opportunity. It's just super quiet in AMED, if I have to say, right? Yo, what's up? Yeah, so today's the format of the vlog will be like that. As I gonna drive slowly and record myself all the way from the Blue Moon Villas till the end to the center of AMED. We will see how's the things over here. However, I can tell you it's super quiet, as you can see. Oh, my camera is heavy. It took me 1 hour 45 minutes to come here by bike. 90 kilometers exactly, or 89 if I have to be honest, starting from Sanur. I make an extra vlog about that. That will be the video today, later, or in the next few days. Beautiful view over here, by the way. Amazing. I will show you now. So, like I said, today's vlog will be a little bit with different perspective, but I don't see any other option to show you AMED. AMED is quite big and it's super hot. Behind me is a super big construction, by the way, with the beautiful view. Passing now Palm Garden AMED restaurant, totally empty. Not sure if this place is no, we are closed for renovation. As you can see, it's generally very quiet. Only local people over here who are passing me around. I'm passing now live in AMED Hotel. I think it's open, however nobody's over here. And that's how it looks like in AMED. Stop on the bridge over here. Is actually quite heavy to carry the camera like this and talk for more than 2 minutes. And anyway, it's gonna take a lot of time. I will go now into AMED Center and I will stop wherever is the famous hotel or restaurant and I will making the snaps for you and with the comments like always. By the way, it's super hot but it's super good to be here. Many roosters and the fisherman's just over here. This is the fisherman's village. As you can see, boats behind me. That's how it is. And the girl past me. Very quiet, very quiet. Over here, the guy. I'm making a lot of attention, to be honest. Yo, what's up?
What's up, man? What's up?
I'm making a lot of attention actually driving bike with the big camera, but it's not so easy. However, very good crack. The beautiful view behind me. Oh, here is the nice landscape. I'll stop and show you a little bit. So at the front of me is the Sales restaurant. Sales restaurant remains open, however I can hear the local Indonesian Balinese disco polo. So at least somebody's there and the signs of the food is outside, so I think it's open. However, I see only nobody actually here. One guy is sitting on the wall. By the way, very nice view over here. Sales over here. Very nice. It's very dry actually. It's more dry than I was last time, I guess. But it's super cool. Behind me, Matahari Villas. I'm not sure, but I think they are closed. However, even they are open, is no occupancy. Yeah, that's how it is. Alright, I'm now in the next to Le Jardin bed and breakfast over here, and seems like I don't know, some local people are over here. That's why I took off the camera. We will see, we will see. Double one closed over here. Yeah, that's how is the crack over here. Coral View Villas next to me. Closed. Some guy, horse over. Yo, what's up? Good! Yeah, so everybody are happy, as I'm in AMED anyway. Yeah, but not much is happening anyway, except some local people. Some places, actually, me with Winnie used to think to stay in AMED last weekend. However, she was busy. We didn't stay, and now it's Hidden Paradise Cottages. I think open but empty. Yeah, they are open but empty. By the way, to the topic, we was thinking to stay in AMED. I'm not sure what hotel Winnie wants to stay. However, they said as they're gonna open for us, or was open. We will stay in AMED in the near future. I can promise you guys. I really wanna stay here, and Winnie also. White Sand Divers behind me. Not much is happening. Restaurant Gede over here, and also not much is happening. Alright, behind me only you and Asli AMED restaurants closed. Sorry. Actually, maybe only you. I'm sorry, but it's O-N-L only. It's open, however, nobody's here. Restaurant is closed for sure. Double one villas restaurants and surfing diversity Bali. They said that they have a vacancy, but seems like it's all closed. So what is it? Puri Virata villas, one car from here and one bike. I think it's open. Hard to say. Diving companies are probably the owners here, like in Chandidasa, they are living here. So they put the paper on the doors whenever you are interested about something, we will open for you. That's the reality nowadays about the divings, because not many local people are interested about diving. However, chill out. Local people are not really interested about diving, and of course no tourists is coming, so every business of diving and snorkeling is well, not prospering, right? What I can say more. Everything is closed over here. Okay, coming now more into the center. I need to stop by some drinks, however I see some guys over here, foreigners. Let's see. Yo, what's up? So the center looks awesome. Fine. Over here some shop with the souvenirs if you are interested. You could buy something actually. Yeah, I need to stop now into Indomaret, buy some drink. I'm so thirsty. Not much is happening here. Pazzo closed. Alami closed. Area AMED open but nobody. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Some folks over here. They have a GoPro, so alright, it's Indomaret, I need to have a drink. I'm next to Indomaret, nobody over here. Some fellas driving the enduro bikes very crazy, one wheel and stuff like this. They just enjoy their life. They have a GoPro, maybe vloggers. If you're watching, you know what to do. However, this is the Indomaret, and well, Indomaret is empty. Somebody said, you know, this is very bad if Indomaret is empty or quiet or closed. Here we go, that's the condition. I'm on the middle of the road, except these people who used to driving crazily. There's nothing here, nobody is here. Alright, I'm gonna have a drink now. So, as you can see, it's really not so busy, right? So, yeah, some tourists are here. Oh, sorry, that's not what do you think. I just ate sneakers and I don't know. However, Apacabar Villas, I think closed. Bali Marina Villas closed. Yeah, like I said, some tourists, like behind me is the girl. Yeah, like it's good to come to AMED for a while, but some people living here is permanently, like me. Depends what you do, right? If you own the business over here, it's a good crowd. Like this girl who passed. By the way, girl driving NMAX. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 or 5 people on the bike, also normal thing. Sunshine, I think closed. Anyway, they're very difficult to say if it's some businesses are open or closed because nobody is here, right? So maybe they are open because they are living here, however, or they will open if I'm, let's say, gonna stay. But it's very quiet, I have to say. That was the really nice land for sale, but the restaurant what was opposite was bankruptcy already. AMED Scuba closed. Coral Bay it seems like they open, but nobody's. Anyway, it's a lot of bankruptcy, even if somebody says not, that's not true, and you can see over here. Yeah. Okay, I will show you a nice spot. That's a sunset spot soon. However, I have to go home because I have 2 hours drive, but I will show you the spot. Behind me, over here is the Mt.Agung. This is probably the most iconic spot in full AMED. It's beautiful, and over here is the Blue Earth Village restaurant. Over here, Blue Earth Village. They have a lovely food, also very nice bamboo restaurant, and also, of course, beautiful view. However, yeah, it's open. Actually, it's open, so it's the good thing. I wish I have a lunch dinner here, but I have to go because it's already 5 o'clock and I have to go to 2 hours to home. So I already gonna go by night. But look at this, that some foreigner people are coming over here. So it's actually open, and some people stay here, I have to say. Not so many, but some. You know, that's a very good alternative if you're living in Canggu and you wanna come here. Also many influencers coming here because they're getting like this is very Instagrammable spot, especially if you wanna go to Lempuyang temple next door or something. Very good, but you have to drive here 2 hours, so it's good to stay over here. That's why we will stay here with Winnie one day, but not today. Okay, I will go next. Now I'm more into the center. I mean that's before the hills. A lot of the restaurants and diving companies over here. However, I have to say it's quiet or closed. Not much is happening here. That's sneakers, seriously. Yeah, not much is happening over here. Check this out. Also the vibe here is Also the vibe in AMED is much more relaxed than in Denmas, Arsan or any other touristic areas. Not many people are wearing masks here, and you know, it's like more like in Nusa Penida, you know, more very chilled vibe. So that's the reason why the many young people actually coming from Canggu, especially to AMED. Maybe it's not cheaper, but it's more relaxed. That's very important as well. And the loud bike. I have to say now, this is quite many bule, but this is the all young bule and Canggu style bule. 100%, like I said, just because it's more relaxed atmosphere over here. That's the 100%. busy, and even if the businesses are open, they are quiet. Some people are here, I have to say, but it's nothing special. Beautiful Mt.Agung. Here is something new restaurant, rooftop bar and hotel, very big. As you can see, at the front is the Mt.Agung. I think I will finish this vlog. I mean, at least talking with. I hope so you enjoyed. I show you how it roughly looks, the situation in AMED. We'll make a different vlog with Winnie one more time, and then we will walk here or make a more material showing you guys around AMED. We will also go to some places, to hotel, restaurants, and I will show you. Meanwhile, the situation is how it is. AMED still exists and is beautiful like always. Right behind me is some new warung, very nice, small, very cheap. Mi ayam, just not mi goreng, sorry, just 14k, $1 American, very cheap. However, I have to go home. The rest of the video, like I said, will be from the right, like always. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog update from AMED. Behind me is the Indomaret, the second Indomaret, the first oldest Indomaret, or the newest, oldest, I think. It's just very quiet. Road behind me, as you can see. Volcano also behind me, beautiful, however super bright. I will show you now after the sequence. Like always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, especially if you comment and like, just whatever you think about that. I make quite a lot of effort to make this vlog today, so I will appreciate everything, even just simple like, thumbs up. And like always, stay safe, stay healthy. See you tomorrow on 7 p.m. Bali Time GMT start class 8. Something new, like always. See ya guys, take care. Well, I found some, maybe not abundant, but some kind of temple, and very nice. And over there is the volcano. I will show you.